Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I want to tell you about what is .NET. .NET is a framework. If you know C# or F# programming languages, you can use .NET framework. Framework is a kind of toolbox. For example, if you need to open and read a text file, you can use system.io library from .NET framework. If you need to write a code, you must have SDK. SDK is Software Development Kit. This has .NET Framework and other things that you need inside. We will download .NET 8 SDK. I search on the internet .NET download. Okay, this is. And click this, save as, it doesn't matter directory, save, and open file. I've already .NET SDK 8. Okay, you can click next and finish. After that, finish. I will cancel, yeah. Okay, after that I open Visual Studio Code and file, open folder. I will initialize that and maybe documents directory. On the documents directory, new folder, .NET course. Okay, and new folder. What is .NET framework? Select folder. Yeah. Okay. And trust. I trust the authors. Yes, I trust the authors. This is a start screen, you know. And I open new terminal for create a new project. I am creating a new directory on my computer and I locate my terminal to that directory. I write first code on the terminal for creating a new project. This code is .NET New Console. .NET New Console. That's all. Yeah. This code will create a new project in this directory and that's all. Yeah, okay, completed. There is some files, program CS. I open program CS. And firstly, we'll see console.writeLine. This is first command. And hello world. Hello world, this is string. Yeah. I'll explain other courses and other videos. But firstly, you must know this is one line code. This is one line code. Yeah. This is one line code. We can change these words. Hello world. Let's change. This is how are you, Fatih? And this is okay. We generally write our code line by line, but we don't have to follow this rule. It is just nice to have. For example, console.writeLine I'm good. Thank you. This is other code. Line code. Okay. Lastly, we'll run all code. This is very simple. Right tap on the Visual Studio Code. There. There is a button for run the code. I hit the button and that's all. Yeah. Very simple. My code is running and if it doesn't have any problem, it will run properly. Yeah. There is. And it appears on the console. This is debug console. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.